Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef and on this channel I teach how to make both Nigerian food and international food. Today we'll be making akara, one of the best street breakfasts in Nigeria. It cuts across most of the ethnic groups in Nigeria. So if this is what you want to learn, please stick to the video to the very end and like this video so others can see it. I'll be using beans. I've already peeled these beans. I have a video on how to peel beans. Please check it out and learn it for yourself. And I'll go ahead and blend these beans. I'm not measuring, I'm just scooping it into the blender. I'm adding water. The water quantity I'm adding is very small because this is akara. Like where I'm pointing is where I add the water to. Add a little water and blend. And ensure that the blending is very smooth. So I'm done blending. It's perfect and very smooth. I'm going to transfer this into a mortar. In this video, you will learn how to make perfect akara, just like the one in the streets. The one on the street uses mortar to turn it. So while I transfer my batter to the mortar, I'll go ahead and preheat my oil. While my oil is heating up with low heat, I'll go ahead and turn my akara batter. I did not add anything to this batter, just the beans that I blended. So this is the perfect way akara is made on the streets. The essence of turning it this way is so that it will get to the stiff peak. I'm checking if it has gotten to the stiff peak. It's not yet there, so I will continue. It makes the akara come out perfect, crunchy and dry, not soaking oil. So at this point I have my stiff peak. I'll go ahead and add salt and mix. So it's important the way you are mixing akara. If you are mixing clockwise, it has to be clockwise. If it's anti-clockwise, it has to be anti-clockwise. After mixing in my salt, I'll go ahead and put a handful of chopped onions. Onions can either be chopped or can be blended or minced. So I prefer to chop my onions and mix it properly. I'll go ahead and add blended pepper. Peppers can be blended like this, or it can also be chopped into akara. So after mixing it properly, I noticed that my pepper was not enough, so I go ahead and add a little more pepper and salt. To make perfect akara, bouillon cube is not needed. Once you add any bouillon cube, that seasoning cube, to your akara batter, it will just shrink. So what you are using is onions, pepper and salt. That's the basic ingredients for akara. So I'm done. I'll go ahead and fry. My oil is ready. To know that your oil is ready to flip up, my hands are clean. What is street akara without using hands to to fry. So you'll be using my hands to scoop the batter like this. If you watch this video to the very end, please don't forget to like this video so others can see it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Also recreate this video and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. You can also share my videos, and if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. To my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for always stopping by. The ingredient list will be in the description box. Please check it out. While frying akara, ensure that the akara is fried with medium heat, not low heat, not high heat, but medium heat, so that it will not be brown outside and uncooked inside. So when fried with medium heat, the akara will be perfectly fried. So I'll get a skewer and flip over to the other side. And I'm flipping again. To ensure that my akara is properly fried. This akara can be used as breakfast, and you can pair it with pap, that's okay. You can pair it with pap, you can pair it with Quaker oats, you can also pair it with custard. You can as well use tea to eat your akara for breakfast. It's nicely fried, beautiful golden color, and I'm removing it from the fire. I'll put it with my line in a bowl with my line towel, kitchen paper towel. I believe you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching once again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so others can see it. Akara is ready. Breakfast is ready. Enjoy this, recreate this recipe this weekend, and let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.